Dogecoin's code upgrade is coming and somebody owns 20% of Dogecoin. My name is Ilya and welcome to my channel. Before we start, click that like button and subscribe to my channel for more great videos to come. And thank you guys, you've been so helpful to grow my channel. Right now we are almost at 200 subscribers and don't stop. Keep subscribing. Alright, so as we all know, Dogecoin was created as a joke, as a meme, but right now in 2021, Dogecoin ain't joke anymore. The market capitalization of Dogecoin is $9 billion. Every single day, more than 5 billion trades are around the all platforms. So Dogecoin is a real thing right now, and all celebrities are talking about it. So guess what? The creators who created Dogecoin, now they're back. The last update for Dogecoin code was in 2019. And as we all know, if you made something and nobody cares about it, you're probably not gonna keep updating it. But right now, because Dogecoin is such a high level of hype, everybody's talking about it, the creators, they came back and now they start working on them. There are a lot of new updates to come. They're gonna fix wallets. There are a lot of problems with Dogecoin's code because nobody was taking care of it. They're easy fixes, but like nobody was taking care of it. So now they will start taking care of it. And there are a lot of things that they can do with Dogecoin to make it more valuable for everyone, to increase their value. As we know right now, there are 120 billions of Dogecoin and they keep growing. So technically, the price of Dogecoin is harder to push up because inflation is so high. One process will pay you 10,000 Dogecoins. This is why the price is going up very, very slowly. Maybe they will fix that. I know that a lot of people had problem with their wallet, so you can synchronize your wallet with a Dogecoin because of their system with their hashes. I'm not really into that specific details because I have no idea how cryptocurrency works. Well, I understand how cryptocurrency works like on a piece of paper, but like coding and stuff, I'm not sure. So they will try to fix that. This is a great news. Right now, so many people are trading Dogecoin, so they actually donating money to creators so they make this cryptocurrency better and better. Right now, the fund has more than $1.5 million. That's so crazy, right? You created something as a meme in 2014, 15, and now people actually paying you real money, millions of dollars to start creating, to continue creating and updating your coin. It's so nice. And Dogecoin as a meme becomes something real huge and valuable. The problem of Dogecoin is that some news says that one person has more than 20% of all coins in their wallet. 20%, that sounds a lot, right? So technically that guy, and people think that that can be Elon Musk, right? Well, he has money. He just probably spent a couple millions of dollars to buy it for fun. We don't know, but when you know Elon Musk, he will tell you one thing and then he will do exactly another thing. So who knows? And I think this is not the problem because Bitcoin has one wallet with over 900 million coins. So yeah, nobody knows who it belongs to and nobody touched that wallet since 2009. So technically Bitcoin can crash half of the Bitcoin market because 9 million Bitcoins, that's the price of Bitcoin right now, around $44,000. That's trillions of dollars, not even billions, trillions of dollars. So with Dogecoin it's the same. Everybody's saying, oh, Dogecoin's wallet has more than 20% of Dogecoins. Okay, so what? First of all, we don't know if this wallet existed before. Maybe this wallet was from day one. Maybe just there. Maybe somebody forgot the password from the wallet. You never know this information. So don't worry about it. And again, right now more and more people start accepting Dogecoin to pay for their goods, for stuff. So it's not an investment advice. We're just talking about Dogecoin in general. It's a really good news. And if start updating code and if they were gonna make Dogecoin even better than it is right now, the price, the scalable of Dogecoin will be much easier. So who knows, maybe it will start growing faster and faster. Maybe it's a perfect time to buy some Doge right now when it's still at that low price. Well, it's actually not that low anymore. The new price range for Dogecoin is from 6 cents to 8 cents. So like I said in another video, I will throw a couple $1,000s in it just to keep it forever. And again, it won't make me broke, but at some point the reward can be so much higher. If you bought it last summer for $1,000, that $1,000 would have worth right now around $50,000, and this is crazy. So that's it for today. That's the latest news for Dogecoin. Hopefully creators will make something really good. They will make Dogecoin great again. They will make it better than it was before. But for right now, subscribe to my channel, click that like button, and comment down below what you think about Dogecoin and what is your favorite cryptocurrency. All right, take care, guys.